Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the typing keyboard to piano keyboard in Options. This lets your computer keys act as MIDI input. Focus the plugin or channel you want to control so keystrokes route correctly. Once done, use Z/X to shift octaves and toggle velocity controls on the toolbar because this changes the note range and dynamics. Practice a simple scale to confirm mapping. Make sure to save the mapping as part of your project template, so repeated setup is unnecessary. You record by arming the target channel and pressing the transport record button. Play naturally because human timing helps groove. Once done, open the piano roll and use quantize with appropriate grid values to snap timing while retaining feel. Change strength if you want a looser result. Make edits by dragging notes, adjusting lengths, and painting velocities for dynamics. Export or bounce when satisfied. Remember to check input monitoring so you hear what you record while playing. You refine performance by customizing key mappings and velocity curves in the typing keyboard settings. This changes how hard key presses translate to MIDI velocity. If notes fail to trigger, make sure the target plugin window is focused and preview is enabled because FL routes input to the active channel. For latency, lower your audio buffer size or switch to an ASIO driver to reduce delay. If problems persist, restart the audio engine and recheck MIDI routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.